Commbank's QR Cardless lets you withdraw, deposit cash without a physical card or PIN using the Commbank app at over 3,000 ATMs. It's secure, fraud-resistant, and available 24/7. Limits: up to $500 withdrawal per day, $10,000 deposit per day. Eligible accounts only, like Everyday or Goal Saver. 1. Setup: first time, 2 minutes. Download, open the Commbank app. Log in. Go to Pay. Bottom menu, Cardless withdrawal and deposit. Enable if prompted. Verify with OTP. 2. Withdraw cash. In-app. Pay. Cardless withdrawal and deposit. Select withdraw. Choose account. Enter amount $2,500. Confirm with PIN biometrics. App generates a QR code. Valid 30 min. Find a Commbank ATM. At ATM, tap QR Cardless. Scan the code with your phone camera. Cash dispenses instantly. Done. 3. Deposit cash, checks. App, Cardless withdrawal and deposit. Deposit, select account, generate QR. At ATM, insert notes, coins, checks, up to 200 notes. Scan QR to confirm. Receipt prints. Funds credit in 1 to 2 days. Checks longer.